In this video, we will show you how to design slide zoom effect in PowerPoint. Okay, let's start. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Rectangle, drag it. Click on Shape Fill, select Color. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Adjust one by one. Select all picture, align middle and distribute horizontally and vertically. Select all, click on right button, select cut option and paste as a picture. Duplicate, go to format, align center and align middle. Let me zoom out, hold down the shift key and increase the size. Go to crop, go to accept ratio, make it 1 by 1. Hold down the shift key, reduce the size. Go to crop, crop to shape, click on oval. Click on picture border, select color. Click on picture effect, select inner shadow. Go to insert, shapes, select rectangle, drag it. Select color from shape fill. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to format shape, increase transparency and then close. Click on right button, send to backward. Duplicate the slide. Go to crop again, click on crop and keep your mouse cursor like this and drag the picture like this. Make it duplicate slide. Click on crop and keep your mouse cursor like this and drag the picture like this. Click on outside. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, go to first slide, go to format, go to crop and drag the picture outside. Go to second slide, go to insert, select text box, add pomegranate information here. Increase size and adjust. Go to third slide, go to insert, select text box, add apple information here. Increase size and adjust. Go to fourth slide, go to insert, select text box, add banana information here. Increase size and adjust. Go to first slide, click on transition, select morph and click on slideshow and see, this is looking so beautiful. Hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.